Hello, everybody. So, gosh, it's kind of late, so you're probably not going to see this till tomorrow. This just came in the mail. It came in a box. I don't understand why they don't send it in an envelope, but it came in a box. So, shakes around. You know, it feels like there's nothing in there. And it is my alphabet. Yay. I like these alphabets. I do. Well, I thought it would have came with a folder, but maybe that's on the inside. This one is, let me see, because there's got to be stuff inside the two sheets. Look, right there. There's the folder that you get when I really need it. I was kind of hoping there was some inspiration in here. It looks like there's a little sheet, but it doesn't look that big. But I was kind of wondering what these flowers will do. Right? Okay, so this says how to use the adhesive sheets. These are the adhesive sheets. This is the little spongy. If you ever get these and you're not ever going to use these, keep these. Because when you go to make, like, your card holders and stuff, these are the perfect size. So keep them. Alright, so let's see what the inspiration shows us. So it looks like they all have a shadow. I'm not sure I get it. Okay, the other side. So, oh, there's a little bunny. I don't know. This looks like, here it looks like something ate the cheese, but here, when you put it together, I don't know what that's supposed to be. What am I missing? There's an umbrella. There's a strawberry, a carrot, a butterfly, another butterfly, a different kind of butterfly. We have flowers, and then we have little buds. They go on the stems. Those are pretty. There's another one. Another one. They're very tiny. Use them to decorate. So hello and spring. I like it. Okay. So that, I'm going to keep the folder out because chances are I'm going to want to use it pretty soon. I'll come back in a little bit. This is Wednesday night and I'm tired and I'm not going to do anything with it. I wanted to get the video, the unboxing done. And then tomorrow I will do a quick tutorial on it. Not tutorial, just make a card. I'm not teaching nobody anything. I might be able to show you what goes wrong. So we just craft together, right? We just craft together. So again, I have to thank you all for yesterday, you guys. Well, it would have been Tuesday. Y'all were so sweet. So sweet. And you know, I know we all have days like that. We all have days where it just doesn't work. You know, it just doesn't. And everybody does. But it doesn't happen to me very often. And usually I'm the type that I can just, okay, I'll pick up a kit and do something with the kit. And that usually works. But that was not working for me yesterday. So, but I'm good now. And what a relief. It feels good to not be worried about it. All right, everybody. If you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.